Yay! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. Wherever parts of the world you are watching me from. Well, today is Friday. Yes, it's nearly weekend. And today, I am here in this place. It's an elevator. It's called Ascensor Pfaffenthal Elevator in Luxembourg. So, I'm just delighted with this elevator, guys, because this is a a an elevator which is made of glass, so you can see the view from above down. So now I am here in this platform where you can see, guys, this lovely view. So that's the bridge, and then as you can see, guys, here. Hi guys, good afternoon. And look, so here from that one I can show you the view down below. Look, this is a glass mirror. You can see. And this one is down there. Not sure how many feet is it. This one is, but this is a lovely view from here. And that one is the elevator. It's the from top down there until there. So yeah. By the way, I just want to thank all my followers, new and old. I hope you guys are having a lovely Friday, and hope you are all well. So I'm just really grateful that through this business I can go anywhere, anytime, as long as I have my laptop, but this one is my mobile phone and an internet connection, guys. So this is very flexible business. So that's the good thing about this. As long as you have a phone or an internet connection, you can answer inquiries, you can watch your training, you can do your business, anything. You can send contracts. So this is the good thing about it. So it is a business on the go. So guys, I hope if you are on my page, I hope you have the courage to check my business. It's because it's life-changing. It gives you flexibility of time and personal and professional growth. So thank you for watching, guys, and have a lovely day ahead. Bye!